We want Shebe shit out! Yeah!
Greetings people, it's your boy Twadi. So Majin Buu has finally been released on bail. Remember him, Majin Buu, this guy. Yeah, so boy has been released from prison on a 5,000 rand bail, man. You feel me? After he appeared on the 27th of November. You feel me? So his bail has been postponed, which is really shocking because dude is facing like 6 counts, man, which 3 of them are attempted murder. But you feel me, his bail was postponed only once. His bail application was postponed once, man. Welcome to South Africa. And then the second time he went back, he was granted 5,000 rand bail. Imagine 5,000 rand bail facing this kind of a case. Nah, but you feel me, I feel like the country should learn from America, man. You know, they treat these famous people, man,